in the hotel room after the show. So late that night, early the morning of this show.
What the?
When did you find out that filming?
You just ran a red light.
Late that night, I think one of the agents called me.
Let it fly, boy! Let it fly! Shit!
A moron. Some good work. That's 2 accidents I've seen. So it looks like we've had a car spin around here. Everyone okay? Children? I don't know if everyone is okay. Look at this fucking idiot. Oh, you fucking moron. Oh my god, hurry up, you fucking idiot. How the hell do you get yourself all the way out of 3 lanes, very clearly marked, and then hold up other people? No, you can't just do that, idiots.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
So why not help them out? What's it going to hurt us? We were running everywhere. It wasn't a weekly town for us, for God's sake. So just help somebody. So
You fucking idiot. What an absolute moron. Look at this dipshit. Where does he think he's going to get to? Look at this clown. Oh, he just cut another car off, no indicator. This guy is a... Look at him, now he's going to cut into the right lane. What an this guy is a complete nut. This is the guy who kills people. This is the kind of guy who causes all the pile-ups. And for what? Look where he is now. He's jammed right between a truck. It's not going anywhere. Look at him. All that, and look where he is. Ah, look at that wanker.
Vince and I went to the memorial service in Cincinnati. We flew in and then went to the funeral service, or the memorial service. And it was one of the hardest things I've done, because the casket was open.
Watch this wanker in this van. Look at this idiot. Absolute idiot. Fucking moron. Guys, got yourself on YouTube, pal.
In a vehicle about no documentation. In most cases, we don't even need an appraisal. I know it sounds too good to be true. We can do it for you, and even if you're not a veteran,
Seriously?
yeah, company perfect credit, even credit scores in the 500s will qualify. And if we can't save you some money, we won't waste your time. But if you're in a
So, you just had a fucktard there who had a green arrow and wasn't going, probably either on the phone or playing with his dick, and then realizes what he's doing and then guns it through a red light. White Subaru up here is tailgating. I believe it's a Mazda. Driving like a total a-hole. Jesus, mate. Is that the brightest ID, numbnuts? Jesus Christ. This fucking guy. Hey, that's not how you change lanes in front of a truck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Everyone's lost the plot this morning. Not sure what it is about today. It's just a Thursday. Not really sure what the reasoning, but my God, everyone's lost the plot today. Like this guy. Mate, come on, what are you doing? You fucking idiot. No indicators, trying to drive over a divider, he's in his whole fucking world. Everyone on this road is just, everyone, everywhere this morning. So, look, they just changed lanes again, no indicator. Oh, he found it. Jesus Christ. In front of traffic, that's the same clown that was just driving in that white, whatever that hunk of shit was, Toyota. Oh my God, now he's dead stopped. What is he doing? Now he's dead stopped and oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, goodness no. Fucking idiot. Numbnuts for YouTube. Got a cum stained slapdick 19 tick turd ass clown. Sees me coming, knows they're in a slip road, knows they've got to give way, and what do? Just keep going and pull straight out in front of you. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck was that? You fucking prick. Look at this genius over here in this Pajero texting while driving. Just brilliant. We've got Dictard, cream pie, 7 yogurt. I don't think he can fit. He's gonna try. Oh no. So we've got a lug nut ass hat vaginal 5'4". That motorbike rider, as you can see by the big L on the back of his backpack, is a loner. Loners are not allowed to lane filter. What an idiot. What the fuck? Oh, he got one turn, pulls out, and the other one just turns onto the wrong side of the road. Geniuses at work. Jesus, mate. Fucking idiot. You fucking retarded. And you got cut off too. Sucked in, you wanker.